Hi guys, welcome back to another channel, another haul video by the way. And today we are exploring Mintra haul video where I have some of the most favorite tops of mine which I've purchased from Mintra from a very long time. So let me show you some 20 tops from Mintra. So मैं सारे links अपने description box में डाल दूंगी ताकि आप लोग easily purchase कर सको link से. And also guys, all these tops are at a very affordable prices, so you don't have to worry. And these are really very trendy tops which I have in my wardrobe and I want to share it with you all. So let's dig into the Mintra haul video. And the first top I have for you all is this blue one. It's literally a hassle to understand how to style this, but once you style this, you're gonna be in love with this top. It is so gorgeous. It has to be tied up in the back, and it's I think from the brand called Naked. I have been shopping from Naked and Trendyol from a very long time, and I really love their collection. And this is one of my favorite tops from Mintra. So the second one I have is a very cute वो डिटेल्ड टॉप. मेरे पास ऐसे टॉप्स बहुत कम हैं बट जो भी है आई रियली लाइक इट. इट्स सो प्रिटी, लाइक लुक एट इट, इट्स परफेक्ट. लव द बो इज सो क्यूट हियर एंड इट्स सो ह्यूज आल्सो. सो व्हेन यू वेयर इट इट लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. या ट्रेंडियोल से है ये और ये इतना अच्छा टॉप है. आई रियली लाइक. एंड द थर्ड वन, आप लोगों को पता ही होगा अभी कितना ट्रेंड में चल रहा है ये टॉप. हर जगह पे है. आई थिंक इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम Zara, H&M, and then Sephora has also launched this denim shirt. And this is one of my favorite denim shirt. It has pockets in front, it is crop, it is not that crop also, it has beautiful sleeves attached. कि एकदम बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रिटी टॉप है. डेनिम ऑन डेनिम्स में बहुत ज़्यादा स्टाइल करती हूँ तो मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद लगता है. आई रियली लाइक इट. आई कैन पेयर इट विद डेनिम, विद वाइट, विद ब्लैक, और आई थिंक डेनिम गोज विद एवरीथिंग. सो दिस इज very modest and very nice if you are a modest girly. The fourth top is, it's an off shoulder, मतलब off shoulder top है but it, so yes guys, you can literally like style this with multiple ways. And how gorgeous it is. It's off shoulder as well. You can see in a picture I'll be showing here or there. So it's such a one of the bestest tops I have from Myntra. I love the material, I love how it hugs my body. When there are days where you don't want to style so much, I think tops like this does the wonder, does the job for you. I have this full sleeves collar polo shirt kind of a thing from H&M, and I love, I got it from Myntra itself. And it's so stretchable, it's so comfortable, it's a little transparent as well, but I think uh, it's modest. I wanted to keep this video more in a modest way because a lot of people are still not comfortable and confident wearing such kind of crop tops or sleeveless dresses. So for those people, I think these kind of tops which gives you a lot of style, basically, because I think the basics are very essential and very important. You can literally style this in so many ways. So I really like it. It has buttons also in the front, it's proper polo, the collar is also very nice. So yeah, this is the fifth top I really like. The sixth top is from Leah Clothing. I really love this top. It's from their everyday essentials, and the collection is very nice, and the top is also extremely cute. It has this one off shoulder and a essay, and you have a necktie as well. Have you, if you have seen Pooh in 2000s or something, kabhi khushi kabhi gum mein, so Pooh wears something like tops like these. So I think it's inspired from that, and I really like it. This might be a little expensive, not that expensive, but a little on a heavier range, but I love this top a lot. It's so cute, like you can just look at it. It looks so good. I love it. So yeah, this is the sixth top, and I love the color also. Seventh top is my favorite top also. This is from Naked, and it has a purple color. मेरे पास purple color नहीं था, तो for that reason I bought this. It's totally backless. It's so cute. You just have to wear it like this and just tuck it. Like how gorgeous this top is. I love the color detail. Love how it's looking on me. It's so cute. It's so Pinteresty at the same time, and I can pair it up with a lot of different outfits. So yeah, I really like this. The seventh one is a normal tank top. You can say इसमें ना बहुत ज़्यादा कलर्स है इन मिंत्रा. देर आर लॉट ऑफ वेराइटी, बस इसकी क्वालिटी इज़ रियली गुड. अगर आप पिक्चर में देखोगे ना तो थोड़ा अलग दिखेगा. आप श्योर नहीं रहोगे खरीदना चाहिए नहीं खरीदना चाहिए, but this one really is so cute, so good. I think everybody should go for this because तुम अगर जिम जा रहे हो या a daily wear like a casual outfit where you want to just pair it up with a jacket or something, I think tops like this really works. So I needed something very basic and something very nice to go with. So I like this and I got this color because मेरे पास इस color में कुछ भी नहीं था, तो मुझे ये कलर चाहिए था. एंड आई थिंक दे हैव वाइट, ब्लू, ब्लैक, पिंक, दे हैव सो मेनी कलर ऑप्शंस इन दिस. एंड आई थिंक इट वाज अराउंड 700 rupees or something. It's not a bad because the quality is very good. We have the second last top. It's just a tying wala top where you have to just tie like this and it fits your body from the waist, and it's so cute. I'll be showing you the pictures here and there. The video will keep on glowing so you guys can see how gorgeous this looks. It's one of the cutest tops I have. And ये मैं कितनी सारी चीजों के साथ स्टाइल करती हूँ ना जिसका लिमिट ही नहीं है. Recycle your outfits again and again, and I think this top does the same thing for me. So I really like this. And the last top of this haul video is a leather top, a leather tube top. And I think this is from H&M. Yeah, this is from H&M and I really like it. It fits my body so nicely. It looks good on me. I think tube dresses also like this. This is from, I think, Savannah, and this looks very nice. So I like something like this because it looks good on my body, something which shows off my shoulders and anything. I think I love it. Like, look at the leather, it's so pretty. I think everybody should go for this because ये सारी चीजें ना तुम इतनी सारी चीजों के साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो जिसका आइडिया तक नहीं है. आई कैन लिटरली क्रिएट सम 20 आउटफिट्स फ्रॉम दिस वन टॉप. Yeah, 20 outfit. And if you guys want some styling videos and anything, you guys can let me know. I will definitely make another video for you all in that category where I style some of my outfits and show you how you can recycle it in 10-15 different ways. And I think that would be so much fun. So I have linked down everything in the description box. All the top links are in the description box. You can shop from there. And also, guys, do let me know if you like this video or not, and do subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot. I really have to say this because I really want you guys to join me in my community where I show a lot of different plus size outfits, plus size styling, plus size this, plus size everything as a curvy woman you are going through, and I am here for you to. I have got all the solutions for you. So I would really like if you can little just takes 2 seconds of you to subscribe to my channel. So please do that. Until then, bye bye. See you. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.